Tired of spam calls, robocalls, and unknown numbers on your iPhone? Here's how to filter phone calls in iOS 26. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Now find and tap Phone. Scroll down until you see Screen Unknown Callers. By default, it's set to Never, meaning all calls ring normally. Tap it and choose Ask Reason for Calling. This lets your iPhone screen unknown callers automatically. Live voicemail is turned on, so callers must say why they're calling. You'll also see Silence Unknown Callers. This blocks all unknown calls completely, but it may silence important calls too. That's why Ask Reason for Calling is the best option. Now enable call filtering for unknown callers. This helps your iPhone organize calls and separate spam from real calls. And that's it. Your iPhone will now filter calls smarter in iOS 26. Follow and subscribe for more iPhone tips.